Hi, I'm Jeanette, and I'm gonna be singing Taken by One Direction. Sorry people, just an ad. Now that you can have me, you suddenly want me. When I'm with somebody else, you tell me you love me. That's the one. When you go begging for one chance. Now you're finally moved on. You stay out with me all alone. Think you are, but do you think I am? You only want to see me breaking. You only want me 'cause I'm taken. You don't really want my heart. I know you can. You'll be in the window, yes, it's breaking. You only want me when I'm taken. In my head, so that's what you do best. There's nothing you want to get me to say it. You press against you, and I wouldn't let your on it. 'Cause I can finally away. Maybe you can mistake. Who do you think you are? Who do you think I am? You only want to see me broken. You only want me 'cause I'm taken. You don't really want my heart. No, you just like to know you can. Still be the one who gets you breaking. You only want me that I'm taken. Thank you, showing me who you are underneath. No, thank you, I don't need another heartless misery. You think I'm doing this to make you jealous? Never hear the music. Maybe you never like it anymore. Who think you are? Who do you think I am? You only want to see me broken. You only want me 'cause I'm taken. You really want my heart. No, you just got to know you can. No, you don't. You want to get to a person. You only want me till I'm taken. But you can have me. You suddenly want me. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed it.